Stir 1/2 of the milk with creme brulee mix until smooth. Heat the heavy cream with the remaining half of the milk and stir. Ensure both mixtures are lump-free, then combine them while stirring continuously. Pour the mixture into ramekins or your choice of serving bowls. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours as a dessert or the mixture as a creme brulee filling. Top it with sugar and blow torch for a sizzling iconic crackle. SwissBake Crème Brûlée mixes where French finesse meets Swiss excellence.